Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roman.
And I'm Julia. So, quick question. How many of you say I'm tired for basically everything? Like, didn't sleep well? I'm tired. Long day at work? I'm tired. Studied for 3 hours straight? I'm tired.
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean. Here's the thing native speakers actually use three different phrases depending on how they feel. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, or I'm brute out, and they mean very different things.
Right. And if you use the wrong one, you might sound a little dramatic or not dramatic enough.
Exactly. So today we're breaking down these three phrases with real situations so you know exactly when to use each one. And we've got some practice moments for you, so get ready to speak out loud with us.
Let's dive in.
Okay, Julia, imagine it's Monday morning. You've stayed up a bit late last night watching a show. How do you feel?
Honestly, I'm tired. I just need some coffee and I'll be fine.
Perfect. That's the key right there. I'm tired is what you say when you need rest, but it's not a big deal. It's temporary. Maybe you didn't sleep enough or you worked for a few hours, but you can still function.
Right. It's like level one of being sleepy.
Exactly. Now, let me give you a different scenario. Imagine you just finished moving to a new apartment. You carried boxes up and down stairs for 8 hours. Your legs hurt, your arms hurt, you can barely stand. How do you feel?
Okay, now I'm exhausted. I can't even think about doing anything else. I just want to collapse on the couch.
Yes, exhausted is way stronger than tired. You're physically or mentally drained. You need to rest immediately. It's not just I could use a nap, it's I literally cannot do one more thing right now.
Oh, I see. So if I say I'm exhausted after just answering emails for an hour, that sounds a little too dramatic, yeah?
Yeah, like your friends might think, really? You're exhausted from emails?
Got it. Okay, but what about burnt out? Because I hear people say that a lot.
Good question. Burnt out is actually different because it's not just about being physically tired, it's emotional and mental exhaustion that builds up over weeks or months. Let me give you an example.
Please do, because I'm confused.
Okay, imagine you've been working 60-hour weeks for 3 months straight. You don't feel excited about your job anymore. You wake up every day feeling empty, you're stressed, unmotivated, and you feel like you just can't care anymore.
Oh, wow. That's really serious.
Yeah, that's burnout. It's not something that goes away after one good night's sleep. You might need a vacation, a break, or even a change in your life. It's long-term exhaustion.
So, tired is short term, exhausted is intense but temporary, and burnt out is like a long term state.
Exactly, you nailed it. All right, let's break this down even more clearly. Julia, help me out here.
Sure. So, I'm tired. When do natives actually use this?
Every day. It's super common. You use it when you're sleepy, when you need rest, or even when you're a bit bored of something, like, I'm tired of this rainy weather.
Oh, interesting. So, it's not always physical.
Exactly. You can be tired of something, which means you're annoyed or fed up with it.
Okay, emotional strength?
Late to medium. It's casual, not a big deal.
And what's the common mistake learners make?
They use it for everything, like, I ran a marathon and I'm tired. No, if you ran a marathon, you're exhausted.
Fair point. Okay, next one. I'm exhausted. When do natives use this?
When we're really drained, after a super long day, after intense physical activity, after dealing with something stressful for hours, it's stronger than tired.
Emotional strength?
Strong. You're telling people, I'm done. I need to stop now.
Common mistake?
Using it too casually, like, I walked for 10 minutes and I'm exhausted, that sounds over the top, unless you have a medical reason.
Okay. Last one. I'm burnt out.
This one's serious. You use it when you've been pushing yourself too hard for too long. It's not about one day or one event. It's about months of stress, overwork, or pressure.
Emotional strength?
Extreme. It's a warning sign that something needs to change.
Common mistake? Wait, I can guess this one. Learners probably use it too quickly, right? Like after one bad week at work.
Exactly. If you've had one tough week, you're probably exhausted, not burnt out. Burnout is a longer, deeper problem.
Okay, everyone, time to practice. We're going to give you some sentences and you're going to say them out loud. Don't be shy. Speaking is the best way to learn.
First sentence. Imagine you stayed up late working on a project. Say this with us. I'm tired. I only got 5 hours of sleep last night. Pause for the listener to repeat 5 seconds. Nice. Now let's make it sound more natural. Add a little emotion. Try this.
Ugh, I'm so tired. I only got like 5 hours of sleep.
Pause for the listener to repeat 5 seconds. Great. Okay, next one. Imagine you just finished a super intense workout. Say this. I'm exhausted. I can't even lift my arms. Pause for the listener to repeat 5 seconds. Perfect. Now the upgrade. Add some personality.
Oh my God, I'm so exhausted. I seriously can't even lift my arms right now.
Pause for the listener to repeat 5 seconds. Excellent. Last one. This one's serious. Imagine you've been working too hard for months and you need a break. Say this.
I think I'm burnt out. I need to take some time off.
Pause for the listener to repeat 5 seconds. And the natural version. Honestly, I think I'm burnt out. I really need to take some time off and just reset. Pause for the listener to repeat 5 seconds. Amazing work, everyone. All right, let's wrap this up with a quick recap. If you remember nothing else, remember this.
Tired is light and everyday. You're sleepy or you need a break, but you're okay.
Exhausted is strong and intense. You're completely drained and you need rest right now.
And burnt out is serious and long-term. It's not just about being tired, it's about being emotionally and mentally drained from months of stress.
And here's the golden rule. Don't use exhausted or burnt out unless you really mean it. Otherwise, you'll sound like you're exaggerating.
But if you are exhausted or burnt out, say it. It's important to express how you really feel.
And that's it for today. If you practiced out loud with us, give yourself a high five. Seriously, you're improving every time you speak.
If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps us out.
And subscribe if you want more conversations like this. We do these comparisons every week.
Oh, and comment below, which phrase do you overuse? Are you the I'm tired person or do you go straight to I'm exhausted for everything?
Yeah, be honest.
And tell us, what comparison do you want us to do next? I'm sorry versus my bad versus I apologize? I'm busy versus I'm swamped? Let us know.
Thanks so much for listening, everyone. Take care of yourselves and remember, don't get burnt out.
See you next time.
Bye.